The China Report for Thursday, May 2, 2013. China data confirms slowdown in factories. Growth in the mainland Chinese manufacturing sector unexpectedly slowed in April as new export orders fell, data released Wednesday showed, raising fresh doubts about the strength of the economy after a disappointing first quarter. The official Purchasing Managers Index fell to 50.6 in April from an 11-month high in March of 50.9. A reading above 50 indicates expansion. Below indicates contraction. Analysts had expected the April reading to be 51. The reading mirrored a similar decline in a preliminary PMI report last week by the British bank HSBC, suggesting that China's export engine faces obstacles resulting from the Eurozone recession and sluggish U.S. growth. China's new leadership has signaled it will step up infrastructure investment, which analysts said would provide support for the economy in the second quarter. China automaker to open electric bus plant in CA. A Chinese company whose mantra is "Build Your Dreams" plans to build all-electric buses in California's Mojave Desert. Lancaster Mayor Rex Paris and officials of BYD Automotive scheduled a news conference Wednesday to announce plans to open the first Chinese-owned vehicle manufacturing plant in the United States in the wind-swept high desert city 60 miles northeast of Los Angeles. BYD, which opened its North American headquarters in Los Angeles in 2010, says the plant will initially turn out 10 electric buses for the city of Long Beach. It expects the vehicles, with a range of 150 miles between charges, to be delivered next year. U.S. presses China to stop growing trade secret theft. The U.S. Trade Representative's office criticized China on Wednesday for failing to stop the growing theft of American trade secrets that are the lifeblood of U.S. economic might, in the latest sign of Washington's frustration. U.S. corporate victims of trade secret theft have included General Motors, Ford, DuPont, Dow Chemical, Motorola, Boeing and Cargill as well as lesser-known companies. A target company can see the payoff from research investment evaporate as a result of corporate espionage and lose market position, competitive advantage and efficiencies. The White House in February rolled out a strategy to address the growing problems, which occur both through cyber attacks and older methods such as a disloyal employee stealing trade secrets on the job and selling them to a rival company. President Barack Obama's administration said its weapons would include trade policy measures like USTR's annual Intellectual Property Rights Report, working with like-minded countries and possible new legislation. China Army hackers raid U.S. military contractors. China Army hackers have raided U.S. government military records at will by exploiting weak computer defenses at private U.S. contractors like QinetiQ, which counts ex-CIA boss George Tenet and ex-U.S. military intelligence boss Stephen Cambone among its current and past managers, Bloomberg LP reports, in a story that traces an apparently sweeping, systematic and years-long penetration of U.S. military secrets. Beginning at least as early as 2007, Chinese computer spies raided the databanks of almost every major U.S. defense contractor and made off with some of the country's most closely guarded technological secrets, according to two former Pentagon officials who asked not to be named because damage assessments of the incidents remain classified. That's the China Report for today. Zaijian.